come a time in your life where you ask, should I blast those walnuts? So what I noticed when hitting the gas, the whole engine would vibrate a little bit. So I'm like, what can that be? The internet, the world of truths and only truths, told me to do a walnut blast. So I researched someone who does it on the low, and after he was done, it drove like butter. If you're trying to get it done on yours, I paid around $350. If you live in Arizona, I can give you the phone number of the guy who did it for me. It was just a DIY guy. It wasn't a shop, because yeah, you can just buy a new car with that money. Now you're probably saying, but my engine isn't vibrating, should I still do it? Well, they recommended to do it every 50,000 miles. This has 120,000 miles. I'll add some pictures before and after the walnut blast. It's pretty filthy. If you have 100,000 miles or more and never done it, you should do it. I walnut blasted mine to have no misfires, no issues with the intake valves. So I just wanted to get rid of that first. I'll do some more maintenance, spark plugs, coils. But once I'm done, I don't want any misfires. That's why I'm doing all the maintenance. And if you're misfiring and you switched out coils and plugs and the fuel injectors and nothing helps, it's probably the intake valves are dirty. So I just bought this N54 not too long ago. What do you guys think? What should my first mod be? This is completely stock, so of course it needs some work done to it. It has 120,000 miles, so I'm doing all the maintenance to make it brand new. But I'd love to have some ideas from you guys, just what to do first. You guys decide what the mod will be. Basically, you will mod this car. It's not me. Spoiler, question mark. Maybe a black roof. Some black wheels. You tell me.